Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester, and today I'm going to share this live trading session Binary Options for Beginners Part 3. I'm going to make this sequence of videos for binary options for beginners to help you to make money with binary options and to understand how to trade with binary options. So let's rock with this video. Okay guys, exists many ways to make money with binary options, and today I'm gonna teach you a good one to make money with binary options. Right now I just have a good opportunity to take in one signal, and I decided to trade with this strategy that I teaching you before. But right now I just gonna trade with this Codex broker. Let's go to check it out. Uh, CHF is a good one. It says it's for a put for 2 minutes. Let's go to wait for 2 minutes and trade. Okay, this is the way that I'm gonna trade right now using this turbo indicator for binary options. What the hell is this? Okay, ignore this part. This is for another strategy, but today I'm gonna teach you a simple way to make money with binary options, and it's using indicator you need to install in your platform MT4. Yes, it's for MT4. You install inside your MT4 and you're gonna receive alerts to trade with binary options. But how really works? Right now I just taken it the first signal, and we're gonna see how ending this signal. We receive it Australian dollar CHF. Oh, I think I made a huge mistake. It's this one, right? Oh, look at this. Oh, my bad. Oh, okay. That was a huge mistake. I don't see the pair. That was a terrible mistake for this video. I don't want to cut this part because that was dumb mistake. Well, it's okay. I received the alert Australian dollar CHF for a put for 2 minutes and just decide and take it. Late, but I take it. Start with this candle and I take it later, but it's okay. Let's go to see how ending it right now. This one is out the money and it's gonna close in a few seconds. I hope so. Crossing the price and I earn or don't lose my money. Okay. But let's go to focus with the signal we received. We received Australian dollar CHF and trade for 2 minutes. This is the way that we are gonna take it. We receive the alert and we trade for 2 minutes. I lost that signal because I made a dumb mistake. Okay, that it's okay. So we trade for 2 minutes with Australian dollar and CHF. Obviously enter late because the good one was this one here and I take it later. So right now I just waiting to close this signal and to see what happened, right? Okay, that was a good one for me, but I lost the first trade that I take it, and was because I don't see the pair. This is a stupid mistake. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. Let's go to wait for another signal. Let's go to explain how works this binary options indicator for newbies. This is created for beginners, for those don't like it to analyze the market and waiting to receive alerts to trade, signals to take it. I know some of you like this type of content, like this type of indicators, and waiting for this type of opportunities to take it a good chance to make money online with binary options. Binary options is not like a bet. Okay, this indicator was created follow a strategy, follow a good strategy, and this strategy is this one here that I have with this indicator. It's using two moving average and follow the uptrend or a downtrend and taking the better choice for us with this indicator. Right now, I just made this huge mistake and I lost the first trade. It was $300. It's a lot of money. I'm gonna try to recover these losses because it was a dumb mistake. But I understand sometimes we can make this type of mistake just to don't read or don't see the chart well. Okay, guys. So sorry for not recording this last trade. Let's go to check it out. What signal was this one? Was this here? USD CAD or CAD, and right now receive another signal. It's because my computer turned off, so I can't record in all the process. Says GBP in USD for a put. And I see I have a resistance here, support, and I'm waiting to break up to take it. I'm not sure. I'm just waiting for this. GBP in USD, taking or receive the alert and waiting. It's playing without praise. Okay, it's playing right now without praise. And looking for it's not gonna respect this one. So I'm gonna leave this pass with this signal. Let's go to check it out. What is this turbo indicator for binary options and how it works and how to take it? Breakup. Gee, oh. Maybe it's too late, but let's go to check it out and see how ending this trade. Okay, guys. This indicator for binary options works in a simple way. We receive the alert and we take in the signals and we are gonna trade for this. The way that I created this indicator to use in this indicator is to receive the alerts and trade for 2 minutes with the broker do you prefer. Okay, you can trade with Forex, Pocket Options, you can trade with IK Options, the broker do you prefer. Okay, that doesn't matter, but you need to install inside your MT4. You need to install inside your MT4, and that is because the indicator only works for this platform. Okay, we need to install and receive alerts. Right now, I'm receiving a lot of alerts. So, but no, it's good taking all the alerts. You know, we need to have a plan how to trade with this, and something that I always made is taking one signal and waiting, taking one signal and waiting. This is the way, the better way that I can save my money. I don't know, for some reason I trade and I forget to see the news, and this bot is gonna send me signals and signals and signals because this robot don't understand right now we have news. So if I take in 5 signals and we have news in that moment and I lost all the signals or lost 3 signals, I'm gonna stay out the money. So taking one signal and wait, check it, the news all the time, go to check it, the news. This is the other signal that I take in GBP and USD and waiting for this. I'm waiting to cross in this point here, and for that reason I decided to take it and trade with this signal. Looking good, look in the money, and this is the way that I like it, make money with binary options number 3. This is the number 3 video for beginners, how to make money with binary options. Okay guys, right now I still continue receiving more signals for this turbo indicator, but I'm gonna stop right now. Stop it, don't stop sending more signals. I think we have a great results for now, and this is the binary stock app. Okay, you need to install inside your MT4 and we are gonna take it signals for this. Right now, send me a signal. Let's go check it out just to see it. And says USD CHF for a call and respecting my indicator, the moving average. See it? This is the way that I created this indicator for binary options. This is totally for beginners. If you are a beginner, you're gonna love this type of content. Why? Because it's simple. You need to only install in your computer inside of the website. I'm gonna leave it the link below of this video actually, where you can find more information about this indicator, and you need to install in your computer. And after that, you're gonna start to receiving alerts. Obviously, you're gonna have a license by email, and that a license you can activate your indicator. This simple like this way. So how we are gonna do this platform, how we are gonna trade with this platform? Well, it's only for binary options. It's not for forex, it's not for cryptocurrencies, it's not signals for scalping on forex. And I respond this question because always asking me. I prefer to say it's only for binary options. It's created using a good strategy for binary options. So this is the way we can use in this turbo indicator. So below in this video, you're gonna find this link in where you can buy the Nextway Trading Turbo app. I'm gonna leave it the link below in this video, and you can start to testing it using your demo account and start to testing it, but you can trade with your real account, but risk only the 1% or 2%. My advice if you are totally newbie. Why? Because when we are beginners, when we have a good trades earning in the first trades, we think all this industry are beautiful and all the trades gonna be the same way, but it doesn't. Okay, sometimes the market is cruel. But if you want to be a rideable trader, you need to have a simple rules and you know when you're gonna stop and where you're gonna trade. This is the third video, the binary options for beginners. This is the content where I telling you use this indicator. But in the next video, I'm gonna make another strategy for binary options and for beginners. Simple steps, simple methods to learn how to trade with binary options. In the next video, I'm gonna explain step by step how to begin a good trader for binary options if you are totally new. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.